Hello, my name is Tamás Görbe, and this is my best practice. I'm using interactive knowledge clips, which are short videos with a few built-in questions that let students test whether they understand a given concept. There are several reasons why I think interactive knowledge clips are beneficial to students and you. Let me just give you 3 of these reasons. The first one is building trust and connections. So the clips provide a personal touch to your course in that they give the impression of a one-on-one session with you. This is especially difficult to achieve with large classes without the use of knowledge clips. Second, clips make pacing flexible because each student can watch the videos at their own pace. They can easily go back and review parts which they found hard to grasp. And third, the clips give instant feedback due to their interactivity. The students get instant feedback on their level of understanding in a zero-risk, stress-free environment. And the lecturer also sees how their students are doing and which topics are worth revisiting in class.
As a student, I feel like interactivity is the most important thing when it comes to learning, and in university everyone has their own style of learning, but the videos I felt like could be digested way easier than the orthodox lecture slides and how they worked. So I feel like videos were obviously an amazing option for this course.
Personally, I often find it hard to concentrate on the lectures, and my notes are usually not that good. So when there were these videos from Tamás that I could watch at any time before or after the lectures, I found it really helpful in my studying.
I'd recommend starting small, so make a couple of 5-minute videos where you explain a certain topic. Don't worry about high production value or making mistakes like not saying the correct word. Add a few questions, share it with your students. Just give knowledge clips a go, and I promise it will help your students and make you a better, more reflective teacher in the end.